Morning, Dudu. Dudu.
Hi.
Hi, Dudu. Good morning. Are you
Good
okay?
morning.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, that's good to know, Dudu. Not sleepy?
Wow. Biết chưa?
Okay.
Okay. Yay! So let us start our class now, Dudu. Make yourself comfortable and we'll proceed to your new book. Okay, before we'll have that page, let's have this one again. Okay, can you tell me, Dudu, what's this one? It's a
Quay hết cả
What
cái thơm
do
rồi.
you think, Dudu? It's a
Hats.
cat. Very good. That's right. Now, how about this one? It's an. Do you know?
Now.
And can you say and?
And.
Yes, that's right. And, Dudu. Now, what about this? It's a yak. Yak.
Yak.
And the last one, Dudu. It's an axe. 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 Yes, that's right. Can you say ant? Ant.
And.
Yak. Yak. Yak.
Yak.
Axe. Axe.
Hat.
Dudu. Axe. Axe.
Ox.
Yes, that's correct, Dudu. Thank you. Now, let us have the next one. Okay, in here we have words ending with Okay, what's this one, Dudu? What's this? It's a Dudu. Dudu?
Okay.
What's this one? This one. It's a ram. Ram. Ram.
Ram.
Yeah, that's right. It's a ram. Now, how about this? It, it's jam. Jam.
Sam.
Okay. Next one, Dudu. How about this? What do we call it? It's yam. Yam.
Yum.
And
Yum.
yes, that is yum. How about the last one? This is d d a Dam. Dam.
Dam.
Yes, that's right. Again, we have ram,
Ram.
jam,
Jam.
yam,
Yam.
dam.
Dam.
Okay, now let us go back to these pictures right here, Dudu. Can you tell me what's this one again, Dudu? It's an, it's an, can you remember it? It's an axe, axe,
Ox.
axe. Yes, that's right. Okay. Now, how about this? It's ant, ant, ant.
And
How about this one?
cat.
Okay, cat. Very good. Okay, you know the cat very well. And the last picture, Dudu. It's it's a yak, yak.
Yeah.
Okay, remember it, Dudu. We have axe, ant, cat, and yak. In here, Dudu, we have ram, jam, yam, and dam. Okay, now let us have the next
No.
one, Dudu. Let us name them all together right in these pictures. Can you remember, Dudu, what this is called?
Sam.
Jam. Very good, Dudu. How about this one? Now, can you say yak? Yak.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, that's correct. Remember it? Okay. Yak. Wait, let me write the word for you. Yak. Now, next one, Dudu. This one. It's. What do you think, Dudu? What is it? It's. Oh, Dudu is still sleepy.
No.
No, not anymore. We have to learn. Okay, can you say yam? Yam.
Yam.
Yeah, that's right. Yam. How about this one?
Cat.
Cat. Very good. What's this? What is it, Dudu? Dudu?
No.
No, you don't know? Can you
No.
say ram? Ram.
Ram.
Yes, ram. And this picture right here is it's what do you think? It is it is dam. Dam. Dam.
Um.
Yes, that's correct. Dam, Dudu. It's a dam. Okay. Now, how about this? It's a Dudu. Hi, Dudu. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Can you can you still remember this one, Dudu? What do we call this? What do we call it, Dudu? It's a
Ram.
jam. What about this, Dudu? It's an it's an what is it? Axe. 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 Can you say axe? Axe. Dudu? Dudu? Where is Dudu? What's this, Dudu? It's an axe. Axe. Hi, Dudu. What are you doing, Dudu? Can you say axe? Axe.
Um,
Axe. This one is an axe, Dudu. Axe. Okay, we use it to cut wood. Okay, we use it to cut woods, Dudu, just like this one. See, it's an axe. Axe to cut. And now we have a firewood. Okay. Now, next one, Dudu. Next one. How about this? What is it, Dudu? It is Dudu. What do you think? This is dam. 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 Yes, in real life, Dudu, dam looks exactly like the given picture. Okay, like this. It is a dam, Dudu. See, dam, dam. Okay, now moving on to the next ones, Dudu. Can you tell me what's this? What is it to do? I do. Do you want to sleep, Dudu? Dudu. Hi, Dudu. Are you Spider-Man now? Dudu Spider-Man like this?
no.
No, you're not Spider-Man. Okay. Can you tell me, Dudu, what's this one? What is it? It's a What are you writing, Dudu? What are you drawing? What's that? Oh, nothing. You are just scribbling. Now, can you say fan? Fan. Fan. Dudu. Fan.
Ram.
Next one,
Oh,
Dudu.
oh, 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 oh,
Oh no. Dudu is still sleepy. Next one we have here man. Man.
Man.
Man. Han. Pan. Pan. Do. Yes. Pan and can. Can. Can.
Hand.
Can. Yes. Again, do. What's this? What's this? Do. Let me see if you can remember it. What is it? Do. It's a
Đó nước mắt không? Ngắm nhiều
do.
có chảy nước thôi.
Do. What's this one? Do. It's a it's a
Gọi là cái gì?
fan. Fan. Okay. Fan. Next one we have man.
Chú có học đi chị
Do.
cho hắn thì bảo cô
Fan.
giáo tăng tốc lên thì thôi rồi.
Man.
Han. Han. Han.
Hand.
Can. Can.
Hand.
Can. Do. Aki, it's a can. Now let us have these pictures again, do because I can see you can still remember them. Can you tell me what's this? What is it, Do? What's this? Say they look the same. How about this one? What's this, Do? It's a Dudu. What is happening, Dudu? What is happening? Okay, it's a dam.
Why?
You can you say dam?
Down.
Now, how about this one, Dudu? What is it, Dudu? What is it? It's a What's that, Dudu? What's that? Okay, can you say jam? Jam. Jam.
Con
Jam.
How about this one, Dudu? What is it, Dudu? This one. It's ram. Ram. Okay. Now, how about this one again, Dudu? What is it? Do you want to drink water? Do you want to drink water, Dudu? Water?
Water.
Do you want to drink water?
No.
Oh no. Okay. Now, let us continue then. What's this? What is it, Dudu? What is it, Dudu? It's an ah, ah, ah. Okay. Now, how about this one, Dudu? What is it, Dudu? Yes, Dudu. What's this? It's a. Why are you closing your eyes? It's a. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
Can you say yak?
Yeah.
Yak. Yes, that's correct, Dudu. How about this? What is it?
ยินไม่ได้เนี่ย
It's. What's this, Dudu? Look at the screen, Dudu. Tell me, what's this one called? It's. It's a. Dudu. What's this, Dudu? It's a. It's a. Jam! Yay! Now, what about this one, Dudu? This one right here. What's this? It's. Hi, Dudu. What do you think is it, Dudu? Wait, let me erase it all. This one, what do we call it? It's yam. 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 Can you say yam? Yam. This one, Dudu, what is it? Dudu? Hi, Dudu, I'm here. Dudu, I'm here. Who are you looking at? What are you doing, Dudu? Are you playing?
No.
Are you playing? No, you're not. What's this one called, Dudu? What is this? Dudu? Dudu. What is it? Hi. Hi, Dudu. Eyes on me, Dudu. Eyes on me. Wait, can you tell me what's this one? What are you doing? What are you doing, Dudu? Are you writing? Are you writing?
No.
Yeah. Oh, you have a paper. What are you going to do with that paper, Dudu? Are you going to fold it? Fold the paper? Or you will going to write something on the paper? No? Nothing? Can you tell me, Dudu, what's this? What is it, Dudu? Oh, it's an airplane? Is that a paper airplane, Dudu? Oh my gosh. Okay, so you are making a paper airplane. I see. Now, going back, Dudu. What's this one? Dudu. What's this, Dudu? What is this? Dam. I think we have to go back here, Dudu. Can you say ram? Ram. Ram. Dudu. Where are you, Dudu? I can't see you. Can you say ram? Ram. Jam.
Yam.
Yam. Yam. Dam.
Yam.
Dam. What's
Dam.
this, Dudu? What's this? What's this? What's this? It's this one, Dudu. What's this? Dam. Dam. Dam.
Dam.
Dam.
Dam.
How about this one? What's this? What's this, Dudu? What's this? What is it, Dudu?
No.
Yam. Yam.
Yam.
Yam.
Yam.
Okay. Yam. Remember that, Dudu? Yeah, I see it's difficult to remember it, Dudu, if you are still sleepy. Okay. Now, how about this one? What's this? Jam. Dudu, what are you doing there, Dudu? Can you say jam? Jam.
Jam.
Jam. How about this one? What's this? What's this, Dudu? Ram. Ram. Okay, I see. Maybe you don't like your book. Wait, let me prepare your previous book, Dudu. For a moment. Let us have your previous book and let us see if you can remember the words from this one. Okay, let me share my screen. Now, see, we have almost the same words here, Dudu. Can you tell me what's this one? What's this? It's
Apple.
an apple. What's this? What's this? What is it, Dudu? It's an axe. Axe. Okay, how about this one? Dudu. What about this, Dudu? What do we call this? It's an ant. 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 Okay, remember, do we have axe? Axe. Axe and ant. Axe. Axe. Ant. How about this one? Alligator. Alligator. Yes, alligator. Alligator. Okay, we have apple, axe, and alligator. Now, Dudu, let us have the next one, Dudu. What's this, Dudu? What's this? It's a bear. 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 Okay, it's a bear. What about this one? What is it, Dudu? What is it, Dudu? This one, Dudu. It's a bird. Bird. Yes. Okay. What about this one, Dudu? What's this? This is bed. 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 And this one is, what's this? Look, Dudu, what's this one called? It's do you know?
No.
Banana. 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 It's a banana, Dudu. Monkeys love eating bananas. Banana. Okay. Do you eat banana, Dudu? Do you eat banana?
No.
Oh no, you don't like bananas. Okay. I see. Next one now. Let us have these. What's this one, Dudu? What is it? What is it, Dudu? This one. It is what do you think? It's a cat. It's a cat. Cat. What's this, Dudu? What is it, Dudu? Who are you looking? Okay, cat. What about this one? This one is a cup. Cup. Can you say cup? Okay, cup. Cup. Now, what about this? What is it? It's a car. Car.
Car.
Okay. Yes, it is a car, Dudu. And the last one. What's this, Dudu? Maybe you have this one in your house. It's a computer. Computer.
Compute.
Đọc hết câu đi.
Computer.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a computer. Dudu.
Computer.
Yes, it's a computer. Now let us have this one, Dudu. Can you tell me what's this? What is it, Dudu? It's a
Ừ.
it's a banana. Banana. Banana.
Banana.
Yes,
Banana.
banana. Yes, that's right. How about this one? What's this? It's a
Banana.
car. This one, Dudu, it's a car, Dudu. Car. Not a banana
Car.
anymore. Yes, this one it's banana. Banana. Okay. Now how about this one? What's this?
Car.
And next one, Dudu. It's a It's a b b bird. Bird.
Bird. Bird.
Yes,
Bird.
bird. Yes, that's right. Bird. Okay. Now how about this one? It's a cat. Cat.
Cat.
Okay, again, Dudu. Let me erase it. What's this one? What's this? Bird.
Bird.
Bird. Yes. How about this one,
Bird.
Dudu? How about this, Dudu? What is it? It's a cat. Cat. Cat.
Cat.
Next one, Dudu. What's this one? It's an axe. Axe. Can you
Ox.
say? Yes, axe. Okay. Now, what about this? Look at the picture 7, Dudu. What is it called, Dudu? It's a cup. 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 Okay, again, Dudu, what's this? Dudu. What's this one, Dudu? This one. It's an it's an axe. 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 Okay. Now, Dudu, I see that you are still sleepy. So we'll just continue the rest tomorrow, okay? You can sleep now, Dudu. Thank you so much. Goodbye, Dudu.